Hello everyone! In this tutorial we are going to see how we can animate our name in Scratch. This is Ellie and this is your place to learn to code and have fun. Are you ready? Hop on! Let's dive in. Like always, we go to scratch.edu.mit and then we click on the create so that we can create a new project, and then I give it a name, a proper name that indicates what I'm gonna do. So I can say animate name, or you can choose whatever you like. Let it load. Okay, so I name it animate name. I delete the cat. Since I'm gonna animate a name, I need sprites that are in form of letters, so I can import all the letters of my name and use them as a sprite. So I click here and I go to the letters section so that I only see the letters, all things letter. So my name is Ellie, so I choose A and then I click again, then another L, one more L, I have an I. You can import the letters of your own name or whatever sentence or anything you are interested to write there and animate. So I arrange them in proper order so that it's clear what I have here on the stage. And now our sprites are ready. So we're going to see what sort of animation we can create with this sprites here. Let's start with a very simple animation. Let's say I want the color of the letters to be changed when I click on them. So how to write this? I click on this sprite, I choose it, and then I start writing the code. First, I need an event to trigger any action. So I go to the events and I say when this sprite clicked, because I want the animation to start when I'm clicking on the sprite. And I want to change the color. So since I'm saying color, the next code should be on the looks. I go to the looks and then I choose change color effect by default is 25, but you can change it to any other number. So let's try and see what happens. I click here. Oops. This one was the E that I was using. So I click here and then the color keeps changing. Ooh, isn't it cool? I love it. Let's create another animation for the L. What I want to happen is whenever I click on this, I want it to spin. So I want it to change direction slowly. So I say again, when the sprite clicked. So when the sprite clicked, what I want to happen is repeatedly changing the direction and turn. So I say repeat, maybe 10 times or forever, is your choice. And then I want turn. So turn is a motion. So I go to the motion and then say let's turn 15 degrees. So I click, it turns and turns and turns. I can do both color change and turn at the same time if I want it to be more interesting, but it's 100% your choice. I just demo everything, and then you can go and play with it and create really cool animations. For the next letter, I want to play a sound. So anytime that I click on this one, I want to hear a sound. Let's see how. I go to the sounds, and then from here I can choose a sound. You can choose whatever you really like. This is cool. I choose this one, and then I go back to the code, and again I say when sprite clicked, when this sprite clicked, now I want to play a sound. So I go to the sound and then play sound until done. Let's see how it works. Click. So whenever I click, I hear the sound. So for the next one, I want to create dancing letter animation. How I do it is, you see on the left corner there is this thing, it's called extension. I click here and then I choose music. So what happens? Something is added here, which is the music set of codes. So now I have some more codes available to me for playing the music and dancing letter. Then let's see how we can do that. First, I'm gonna write this for this I. Again, like always, when the sprite is clicked, I want to create a dance. So let's use a move. I go to the motion, and then I say move 10 steps. And then I go to music. I play a sound like play drum for some amount. And then I take another move. Last time I moved 10 steps. This time I move minus 10 steps. So it moves backward. And then I again go to the music, and then again I play drum. So let's see how this one works. You see it goes back and forth. I can add the steps a bit more so that it's more clear what's happening. So longer moves. So I have this cool dancing letters here. For my last letter, which is this E, I'm gonna change the size so it grows bigger and becomes smaller with each click. So again, when sprite clicked, when this sprite is clicked, I'm gonna repeat a set of actions. For 10 times, I do something, and another 10 times, I do different things. So I take 2 of these blocks. First time, inside this repeat, I say change size by 10. I need to drag it to go inside. And one more time, for the next repeat, I say change size by minus 10. Let's see how it looks. So I click, it grows, and then it gets back to the original size. So you see each of these letters have their own animation. Try to play around with the letters and do similar things with the rest of letters, and share your projects with us. We are excited to see what you can do. In order to make this a bit more interesting, I'm gonna add a backdrop as well, and then I'm going to share my project with you, and I hope you are gonna share yours with us as well. I choose a heart as a backdrop. You see, it's quite a cool project, easy and cool. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you won't miss the next tutorial. Bye!